to the Olympic athletes. My name is Topjor, and I'm a Tibetan. I'm a senior defenseman on the Williams College NCAA men's lacrosse team, and I'm a proud American. I love this nation for those highest values it claims to aspire to, and you represent a facet of our nation's best. I'm an American because my parents sought refuge in this land when we were driven from our own by a genocidal regime. In the 1950s, the Communist Party of China massacred my people, burned our temples, and looted our land. For over the past decade, they've been imprisoning Uyghur Muslims in concentration camps aimed at extinguishing their ethnicity. Today, Hong Kongers watch on in agony as their freedoms of speech, press, bodily autonomy are all stripped away. Tomorrow, Taiwan watches on and wonders and prepares for whatever may come next. And in a month, you head to Beijing to take part in the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics. As you may know, the US and many of our allies have already declared diplomatic boycotts on the grounds of gross human rights violations. However, you, the athletes, will still be in attendance. I want to see you showcase for the world the excellence you have nurtured for so long. But when the flashes fire and cast a glint of the gold glimmering between your teeth, I want you to know the context upon which these games are being held. China is putting on a grand show, a farcical distraction for the world to see, a show you will be a part of. But just outside the stadiums, beyond the deafening din of fanfare and jubilation, I hope you will lean in to hear the desperate cries of Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, Taiwanese, and so many other oppressed peoples across the land China claims to have colonized. And I hope you will hear the echoes of their cries from across the world. Thank you.